Warm welcome to all of you. We have some great sessions lined up. The first speaker is from Airtel, Vibhu Gupta. He's the engineering manager at Airtel Digital, heading the Customer 360 platform there. One of the most iconic implementations of a Customer 360 platform in any telco globally.
How many people are using Airtel here? This will actually be good for our CEO. If he was here, he would be really happy seeing these many amount of people using Airtel. Customer intelligence or customer experience is our basic motto. This is the Customer 360 landscape or the Customer 360 platform that we have built with Aerospike as our main data store. Single repository which takes in all the 400 million plus customers regardless of the LOBs they belong to and powers the digital brain of the company. So that's the reason we had to have a HA. So the other two sites, these are connected through XDR. Read and write is happening at both data centers in a live environment. We are achieving apparently strong consistency through the XDR. 99% XDR shipping latency within 3 ms. So the data which is basically replicated from one data center to the other data center. 99 percentile is within 3 ms the data is synced up between these two clusters on a client side. Since we are a high throughput system and we cannot afford to go down, we have never went down in last 4 years. Aerospike has been very useful, very helpful to us.
The idea was to provide the kind of database which people at Airtel, for example, and others can depend on. It's about real time, it's about making sure you can run a lot of transactions per second, low latency, you can rely on it, and so on and so forth. We started off with a key value API-based application development, and then we've added document database features over the years and over the last 3 or 4 years, which means you can manipulate Aerospike using JSON and JSON queries and so on.
Now you want to read some specific key value over there, so you can fire the JSON path. So internally it will convert this document client. So this doc client can be called here and push this data with the help of this in a query. Once you pass this, internally it converts into JSON path and runs it within the system and pulls out the data. This SQL access, how we have done, we have actually built a connector for that, so that if any TSQL query you fire from the Trino will convert into the Aerospike query and hit to the database and pull the information.